I have started recording. Now, first, as soon as I'm going to draw this one, I go for recording mainly things. That is two opening stock, then two purchases, and here on the credit side, I'm going to write buy sales, and here I'm going to write buy closing stock. So this is a common first 5 postings we are going to make, and here we are going to make it as capital. So these are the 5 important things. Now we are going to check the problem. From the following transactions of Mrs. Sharma and Company, you are required to prepare trading profit and loss account balance sheet as on 31st December 2013 again. Then sales returns, purchases, written outwards. Written outwards means what? It is purchase returns. Okay. So carriage outwards. Carriage outwards is what? P&L. Carriage inwards is what?
Trading.
Trading. Opening stock.
Trading.
Direct expenses.
P&L.
Direct expenses. OI. Direct expenses are nothing but a trading nana. Direct expenses ante factory expenses లేదా manufacturing expenses అని అర్థం. ఓకేనా? Direct expenses means what? Factory expenses or manufacturer's expenses అని అర్థం. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Capital.
Liability.
Liability. Furniture.
Asset.
Asset. Bank OD.
Liability.
Yes. Buildings.
Asset.
Yes. Plant and machinery.
Asset.
Asset. Sundry creditors.
Liability.
Liabilities. Bills payable.
Liability.
Liabilities. Sundry debtors.
Asset.
Asset. Rent received.
P&L.
P&L. Discount received.
P&L.
Yes. Discount allowed.
P&L.
Yes. Commission allowed. Usually every time he'll say
P&L.
commission received, but he said allowed. Means it is nothing but a we paid. Okay. Next, insurance taxes.
P&L.
P&L. Provision for doubtful debts. It's a old. ఎప్పుడైనా trial balance లో ఇస్తే old. Old is equal to what?
P&L account.
Yeah, P&L account. Which side?
Debit side.
Credit side. It's
Credit
equal to
side.
profit, I say. It is equal to profit, I say. Next, bad debts.
P&L.
P&L. Salaries.
P&L.
P&L. Dividend paid.
P&L.
P&L. General expenses.
P&L.
P&L. Rent paid.
P&L.
P&L. Bills receivable.
Asset.
P&L.
Asset. Hey, bills receivable asset, Nani. Now, stock at the end. It is closing stock. Depreciation on plant and machinery, buildings he gave. Provision for doubtful debts 5% he gave. Outstanding rent and prepaid salaries and interest on a capital. So these all you just keep in mind while we are doing. Now we'll start flow posting. First he gave what? Sales. Sales how much? Sales he gave 3,55,000. Okay. And then immediately what he gave?
Sales return 5,000.
So sales returns 5,000 అమ్మా. సో అవుటర్ కాలంలో ఎంత వస్తుంది అప్పుడు? 3,50,000. Then purchases. Purchases comes here, no? So purchases is how much?
2,52,000.
2,52,000. And then purchase returns he gave how much?
2,000.
Return outwards means it is a purchase returns. So it is 2,000. So 2,000 తీసేస్తే it will be
2,50,000.
Then carriage outwards. Carriage outwards is a
P&L account.
yes. So to carriage outwards.
1,000.
1,000 amma. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Carriage inwards.
Trading account.
Carriage inwards is a trading account. So to carriage inwards, that is how much amount he gave? 5,000 amma.
5,000.
5,000 ena? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then direct opening stock. Opening stock how much he gave?
50. Sorry, 5,000. 40,000.
Then next, direct expenses. So just now I said direct
5,000.
expenses is nothing but it is
Trading account.
yeah, it is a trading account only. So
Trading account.
because direct expenses ante manufacturing expenses laga anamata. So that's why here I'm going to take two direct expenses. Do we have any adjustments? Just check, Nana.
No.
No, kada. So 5,000 I have written. Next, after that, capital. Capital is a
Liability.
liability, and he gave 60,000 here.
60,000.
Okay, then
Furniture.
furniture is a
Asset.
asset. And did he give depreciation on this one? Just check.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ivaleda?
No, no.
So outer
Ivalledu.
column, direct outer column, we are going to take the amount. How much he gave? 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, so directly I'm taking in the outer column. Then
Bank overdraft.
the bank overdraft is a liability, no? So here I'm going to take bank OD. How much?
10,000.
Okay. Then what else he gave?
Buildings.
Buildings. I think buildings there is an adjustment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
1,000.
buildings. How much? 45,000.
45,000.
Okay. Then after buildings, plant and machinery he gave.
Yes, ma'am.
Plant and machinery. How much he gave?
Machinery.
Plant and
40,000.
machinery we have to take. I think adjustment is there, so that's why 40,000
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
taking here. Then sundry creditors.
Sundry creditors.
Sundry creditors is a liability, no? So sundry creditors. How much?
25,000.
25,000. Then
Bills payable.
bills payable is also liability only, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
bills payable
30,000.
30,000. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Sundry debtors.
just see. Do he asked for provision for doubtful debts in the adjustment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means I'm going to take in a inner column. So how much?
30,000.
Okay. Then
Rent received.
so rent received is a
P&L account.
yes. So I'm going to take on this side. Do we have adjustments? Just check.
Yes, ma'am.
Rent received కి అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఉందా
No,
మనకి?
no. లేదు మ్యామ్.
లేదు. సో అయితే అవుటర్ కాలమ్ లో వేసేస్తాను. ఎంత? 3,000. నెక్స్ట్
డిస్కౌంట్ రిసీవ్డ్.
డిస్కౌంట్ రిసీవ్ కూడా ఇందులోనే కదా రావాలి. సో
Yes,
బై
ma'am.
డిస్కౌంట్ received. How much? Do we have?
3,000.
Obviously for this one we will not have adjustment. So 3,000. ఇది కూడా 3,000. Then discount allowed is there. So discount allowed will be on the debit. So discount allowed. How much?
2,000.
2,000. Then
Commission.
Commission allowed.
commission allowed also I said here only. Just check. Do we have adjustment?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So outer column directly. How much amount? 1,000. Then taxes and insurance. Do we
Taxes
have?
and insurance.
Just check. Do we have any adjustment?
No, ma'am.
So how much is the amount? 3,000.
3,000.
Okay, fine. Next,
Provision for doubtful debts.
provision for doubtful debts. ఇది ఇందులో కదా రావాల్సింది మనకి. Old అనేది ఎప్పుడు
Yes,
కూడా it will be on this one. So provision for doubtful
debts.
debts. So how much?
2,000.
2,000. Okay, fine. Next, bad debt.
Bad debt.
Ma'am,
Ama, బ్యాడ్ డెట్
అవుట్స్టాండింగ్
ఏ దేనికి ఉంది అవుట్స్టాండింగ్?
రెంట్ మ్యామ్, రెంట్.
రెంట్ ఇంకా రాయలేదు మనం.
ఏ రెంట్ రిసీవ్డ్ కి అవును రాసాం కదా అని.
రెంట్ పెయిడ్ కి ఉంది కదా మ్యామ్, అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్.
పెయిడ్ కి ఉందా? ఓకే ఓకే. యా అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ రెంట్ రిసీవ్డ్ అంటే అప్పుడు నేను క్రెడిట్ లో తీసుకుంటానా? ఓన్లీ అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ రెంట్ అని అంటే ఐ విల్ అజ్యూమ్ ఫర్ పేమెంట్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనామా? అది ఇన్కమ్ అయితే ఫర్ రిసీవ్డ్ అని చెప్పాలి వాడు స్పెసిఫిక్ గా, చెప్పలేదు కదా అలా. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాడ్ డెట్స్. డు వి హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఎక్స్ట్రా బ్యాడ్ డెట్స్ ఇన్ ది అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ప్రొవిజన్ ఫర్ బ్యాడ్ డెట్స్ కాదు, ఓన్లీ బ్యాడ్ డెట్స్ ఇచ్చాడా?
నో మ్యామ్.
నో ఇవ్వలేదు. సో హౌ మచ్?
1500.
500. నెక్స్ట్
జనరల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్.
salaries.
Sorry, salaries.
Salaries we have adjustment, I think some prepaid is there.
Yes ma'am.
So 20,000 I'm taking in a inner column. Then dividend paid. So to dividend paid, how much?
5,000.
5,000. Then general expenses. So dividend
General
paid, we
expenses.
don't have any adjustments. So general expenses. General expenses, do we have adjustments? Just check.
No ma'am.
No. So outer column. Next to rent paid, for this one we have a adjustment
Paid.
outstanding. So that is 3,000 I'm going to take here. Then last one is
Bills receivable.
So how much?
21,500.
Okay, so done. We are done with all the postings, I think now. Now we'll go for a checking about adjustments. So what all the adjustments we have? Please see. First is stock at the end. So this means what? It's a closing stock. So first
Closing
will
stock.
be in the trading account. Again, second will be in the asset side.
Assets.
బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్.
Yeah, balance sheet, asset side. So closing stock.
42,000.
42,000. Then depreciate on plant and machinery building. So here both we have plant and machinery first. So how much is it percentage?
2,000.
వాడే ఇచ్చాడు 2,000 అని. ఓహో మనం క్యాల్కులేట్
Yes
చేసాం.
ma'am.
సో 2,000 అంటే ఎంత నాన్న? ప్లాంట్ అండ్ మెషినరీ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? ఓకే 38,000 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? దెన్ బిల్డింగ్స్ మీద ఎంత ఇచ్చినాడు?
1000.
1,000 బిల్డింగ్స్ మీద.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Yes
సో
ma'am.
అంటే 44,000 వస్తుంది.
44,000.
ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ప్రొవిజన్ ఫర్ డౌట్ఫుల్ డెట్స్ అంటే
Provision for
డెటార్స్.
doubtful
డెటార్స్
debts.
మీద తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఈ 2 ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. నౌ దీస్ ఆర్ క్యారింగ్ అ సైన్ ఆఫ్ వాట్? మైనస్. దిస్ ఇస్ క్యారింగ్
Minus.
సైన్ మైనస్. సో మైనస్ విల్ బి ఆన్ ద సేమ్ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్?
Opposite.
ఆపోజిట్. సో ఇక్కడ డెబిట్ సైడ్ వస్తుంది. టు డెప్రిసియేషన్ ఆన్ బిల్డింగ్స్ ఎంతమా?
బిల్డింగ్స్ 1000.
1,000.
టు డెప్రిసియేషన్ ఆన్ ప్లాంట్ అండ్ మెషినరీ
Plant and machinery.
ప్లాంట్ అండ్
2,000.
మెషినరీ
2,000.
2000.
నెక్స్ట్ సన్రీ డేటాస్ మీద అడిగాడు కాబట్టి సన్రీ డేటాస్. సో హియర్ అగైన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్. సో ప్రొవిజన్ ఫర్ బ్యాడ్ అండ్ డౌట్ఫుల్ డేట్స్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఈ సెడ్? 5%. సో 30,000
5%.
5 3s are 15 అంటే 1,500 వస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి హౌ మచ్? 28,500 అంతేనా? అంతే కదా?
Yes ma'am.
Now it is again a minus, so this will be again on the opposite side. So here I'm going to write to provision for bad and doubtful debts at 5%, which is 1,500.
1500.
Next,
Outstanding rent.
rent. Outstanding rent. Outstanding is a sign of what? It's a
Less.
less. So here outstanding rent, how much?
1,000.
1000, no, okay. So it will be 4000.
4,000.
Then prepaid salaries. So prepaid means what? Add or minus?
Minus.
Minus
Yes. So prepaid salary, which is how much he gave again? 1000.
1,000.
So salaries మనకి ఎంత ఇచ్చినాడు వాడు? 20,000.
20,000. 19,000.
It will be 19,000. Okay, fine. And the last, interest on a capital. So interest on a capital ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తాం కదా మనం. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే ఆల్వేస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అని చెప్పాను. So interest on capital at which percent? At 5%. So ఎంత వస్తుంది? 5 6 30 అంటే 3000.
salaries.
అంతేనా? నా ఇది మళ్ళీ ప్లస్ సైన్ కాబట్టి సేమ్ సైడ్ రావాలి కదా. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి ఆన్ దిస్ సైడ్, దట్ ఈస్ టు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ క్యాపిటల్ at the rate of 5%, which is 3000.
3,000.
That's it, all the things are done.
Ma'am, outstanding rent prepaid salaries. Second
No,
effect.
sorry, outstanding rent will be in the liabilities, opposite kada. Outstanding
Same.
is the expenses plus sign, so same side kabatti it will be on the liabilities, whereas prepaid will be on the opposite because it is carrying a minus sign. So prepaid salary is how much?
1,000.
1,000. ma'am.
1000. That's it. All the things are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please tell me the totals. Meanwhile, I'll just draw these lines. So 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 92,000 వస్తుంది. 3 lakhs 92.
Yes, ma'am.
3 lakhs 92 minus అంటే 92 గ్రాస్ ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది.
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, we are going to write to gross profit carry down,
Profit
which is
to P&L.
92,000. And ఇక్కడ అమౌంట్ ఎంత? 3,92,000.
3,92,000.
3,92,000. And here also it is 3,92,000. మరి ఇక్కడ గ్రాస్ ప్రాఫిట్ రాయాలి కదా నేను. సో బై గ్రాస్ ప్రాఫిట్ brought down, which is how much? 92,000. We got it. So 92,000 ఇప్పుడు ఇది చేస్తే total 92,000 plus 98 1 lakh. సో ఇది total 1 lakh నాన్న. 1 lakh లో నుంచి తీయండి. అంతేనా? 92. One lakh. So net profit ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడండి నాన్న. Well, I'll draw it. Total of expenses ఎవరైనా చేశారా? 19, 29, 30, 33, 35.
Yes, ma'am. Net profit 61,000, ma'am.
61,000 అన్నా.
Yes, ma'am. 51,000.
51 or 61?
51, ma'am.
51. Okay. So to net profit carry down to capital. So that is 51,000. Now e net profit మనం ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తాం కదా, that is to the capital, to the owner we are going to give it. So it will be net profit, which is 51,000. So 51,000 plus 60,000. E 1,11,000.
14,000.
1,14,000.
So 1,14,000, 1,44,000, 1,45,000, 1,70,000, 1,80,000. అంతేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
అసెట్ సైడ్ కూడా 1,80,000 రావాలి. చూడండి అన్న ఒకసారి.
1 lakh వచ్చింది ma'am. 1,80,000.
ఓకే, 1,80,000. ఫైన్.
Yes, ma'am. 1,80,000.
ఓకేనా? So this is 1,80,000 and here also it is 1,80,000.